Hamburgers and hanging out at Top Notch in HUTTO. HUTTO. Remember those H-U-T, 5 letters. Because they're going to play a role here soon. So be attentive. Pay attention, as they say. Take an old spot tonight. Look at that. Oh yeah. Mr. Peacock's ride for a few years when he worked over at DFW Airport. It was one we brought back to life, and I couldn't let it go. I love me some old spot. Anyway, stay with us. Tonight should be a fun night. Let's go. We got a, in the new Volksmania, we have a magazine star in our presence right there, Jeremy. This is a magazine bus now. That means it's all, you know, like, then you start charging admission.
Right, exactly, I wish. Wait for some of the parts.
Oh, no. So make sure you get your latest Volksmania magazine and you can read all about Jeremy's bus. There it is right there. Springing into action. We got lots of Volkswagens here tonight so far. Notchback. Westy. Awesome black. Look at that. Early GTI. Very nice. Yeah, those wheels. Everybody found the shade over here. They're smart.
Oh, really? It's still a flat floor. It's just instead of your doghouse and your fan being it's just it is. Your fan is built here, and your whole carburetor system is all
Still running fuel injection. Beautiful. So here's a legitimate Eberspacher setup. Looks weird. I don't know if he's got it hooked up, but it's done right. There's a fuel line, little fuel pump. There's your little, like a little filter, and then here's the Eberspacher here. It's a BN2. So I don't know. It certainly looks clean. This car is so clean. It's beautiful. 69. It's an automatic, but it's just so nice. Look at that SB12 rings. Got H4s, Bosch German. This car is so nice. Pushes. Duck boards. Look at that. It's wonderful. Steel sunroof.
Talk about a place that has a lot of expensive cars.
It's awesome.
The train station in Taylor.
Look at those backup lights working. Nice. How are you?
How are you?
It's very good to see you.
Good to see you.
Oh, and these are y'all grew these?
Yeah, we got a whole orchard of peaches and
Look at
plums
that.
and stuff.
Nice. Thank you guys. How nice is that?
Thank you.
Homegrown, fresh,
That's right, organic too.
organic.
We don't spray.
No spray.
No spray.
This is the real deal.
It's the real deal.
What do you think?
Cool.
Do you like Volkswagens?
Yeah.
Peaches.
Dad, is this one good?
That looks good. Your pick, bud.
Dad, this one is good.
Okay, we're gonna put them in a baggie. Okay, so put them in a baggie. Okay. Here we go. We say thank you, right?
Thank you.
Just one each,
You're
okay?
welcome.
Just like her convertible. You want a convertible? It's got to be a 67. Guess
Yeah.
what? She
Boom,
found
found
one.
it.
Boom. That's great. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well, thank you guys.
You
Who wants to
bet.
take
You
Y'all
care?
have a good night.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, sweetie.
Bye. Enjoy your weekend.
Bye-bye, buddy. Bye-bye, mister.
I'm on your YouTube channel all the time.
Yeah, you are. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I just love it.
He
Yeah.
watches all the time.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you believe this? This is awesome. We got a live delivery vehicle, and now it's a moving fruit stand or vegetable stand.
Yeah, we do.
That is
okra,
so
corn.
awesome. We're talking about buying out old Volkswagen shops, and Chris is talking about buying out old motorcycle shops.
That we had. We go through all the motorcycles. You have to sort. We don't have enough room to take everything. I don't need it, but I'll take it.
So having that registration of the title, that's a game changer.
Yeah.
So that's when we found that.
Yeah.
We pulled on that '63 Gita from Hyde Park. We was like, oh, we're cleaning out, and Carl's reaching in there and goes, hey, look at this envelope.
Sure enough,
There was a title, Nevada title on it, just like that. It was just like, yeah. I said, dude, that's like $1,000 bill you just found. So it's the witching hour, also known as beautiful time. Look at this. Beautiful. Mark's here. Look at that sunset. Yeah, a nice little turnout at Old Top Notch in Hutto. Got a Beetle. Vanagon with some jerry cans. Some guys telling stories.
So you want to sell 58?
How's it going? Oh yeah. He didn't get the memo. What a great turnout. So we got to get Chris come up here with a 62. That's a matter of time, right?
66.
So it's got to come all the way down from
Delaware.
Delaware. That wouldn't be that bad of a drive.
Day and a half, 2 days maybe. I don't know how long in the Volkswagen.
Oh my gosh.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. The 59 and that squareback would have been nice side-by-side picture. Holy cow. There it is, made in Germany.
With the Volkswagen emblem.
Where did you find this?
Dude, Facebook Marketplace.
Was it here in Austin?
Yeah.
Really?
Came from California. He's had it for 35 years. He had it on a 64 as well. I shared it with him a picture. He goes, I had it on a 64 back in San Francisco, and I've had it since I was 16 years old. A friend of mine gave it to me. So I went over and got it, right? I paid his asking price,
Right?
450 bucks.
Yeah, that's fair.
Well, it's worth a lot more than
Yeah, because it's original.
that. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's original VW.
That's and look at the slats. They had to have been replaced.
No, they're not. It's original.
They're in that good a condition from that.
Look at the rivets.
Well, yeah, I know. Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you got under here?
He gave me all that as a
A token of appreciation.
Holy
Holy
There's a
cow!
110 can, brand new one, and that is Engel. It's not in that. It's not valve springs. But yeah, he gave me that. Rocker arms, some bearings. There's a oil pump in here. Want something?
Wow. So is he getting out of the Volkswagen world?
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, you got a
reverse light.
Yeah, he gave me one of those. I showed his wife what it looked like in its real environment.
Oh,
because I said I got.
so
one
was
of those.
was he from California? He just
Yeah,
moved here?
they were out of San Francisco. Works for Tesla, I think.
Wow.
Yeah, so like I just bought a set of those empty valve covers.
Rods.
You know, they're not the ones that say GT on them, but they're still all right. And,
Yeah.
and it's kind of the older packaging. You know, they've changed their package the way it
Yeah.
looks, so he's had them for a while.
And that's a
These are
110
bug
can.
pack parts.
Yeah,
you know?
that's always good stuff.
These are kind of old stock. What's the
Hardware.
price on it? What does it say here?
73, 40, yeah, 70. Yeah. And the scat.
Yeah, it's got rockers.
Bow wows for Volkswagens. Shake it like that. Yeah, it's right here on his, on this stationary glass.
Wow. Because, you know, Volky is kind of like a Puerto Rican thing,
Yeah,
you know?
that's exactly what they are.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
And then they do a lot of their highways. In Puerto Rico, they have this,
Yep,
they do the
that's-
highway sign.
That's why that sticker. Yep.
Oh, okay, that's
yeah,
cool.
A bunch of my friends from
Puerto Rico.
Awesome.
Massachusetts. Yep, but they were.
See a shout out.
Yeah.
He got some good stickers.
He does have some good stickers.
It shows the evolution of
Look at this one.
the bus.
Volksmania.
Got some Northwest stuff and some East Coast stuff and some.
Home of the people's car.
Yep, that's in Vermont.
Wow, you got some really cool stickers.
That's Vermont.
Fast cars.
Look at that one.
Oh wow,
That's
yeah,
the-
that's
that's
a
the club that I
50s.
used to
Yeah,
run.
it's a-
Connecticut VW Association.
yeah, it's like a-
really?
half
Yeah, I
that
ran
one.
that club for 10 years.
Oh wow.
No fooling.
Yeah, I ran that club for 10 years. We had like almost 800 members at one point.
Wow.
Look at how old my limbo sticker is.
Yeah, where's?
It's rusted.
Oh wow. I was in Limbo, and I was in it was the late model. That's late model, but then you had the
Nito.
Nito.
Yeah, I have an original Nito license plate somewhere.
Yeah.
And I was the
Ain't that the truth?
merchandise guy.
So Connecticut did a number on it then.
Yeah, because I drove it home from Maine, and all it needed for inspection was a tie rod in.
Oh, you were telling me that's off of
Model 3.
yeah.
Tesla Model 3. Yeah, it's a performance spoiler. It's like
Yeah.
a $700 spoiler.
And it fits right.
It's carbon fiber.
And it fits. Yeah, it fits perfectly on here.
Perfect curve.
Perfect fit.
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
There's
And you got more though.
there's 6 inches of windshield urethane that holds it in the middle, and that's it. The rest of it just floats in.
Wow.
20 valve. Ah. Fresh air. Mm-hmm. Look at these wheels on the back. Beautiful, and look at how wide he's got these big old wide ones on the back. Woo! Turbo. Well, say goodnight, Axel.
Good night, everyone.
There you go. Say goodnight, Mark.
Good night, Mark.
There you go. Say goodnight.
Good night.
Say goodnight, y'all. There you go.
Adios.
There you go. Thank y'all for the veggie tables, for the peaches. I'm looking forward to eating those. Thank you. Hey. Good night, boys. Say good night, gents. There they are. Hey. And with that, we bid you guys a good night. I hope you've enjoyed tonight at Top Notch for Saturday. This is what it's all about, just kind of hanging out. We got our buddies over here with Jesus and Daniel, and those guys are awesome. And Top Notch is awesome. There's Top Notch. But it's been a fun night just hanging out. You know, we're just getting things started up here in HUTTO. This is, I don't know how long we've been doing it up here, not very long. And we had 15 VWs tonight in the middle of the heat of the summer, so that's not too shabby. A couple of things, check us out at All Metric Garage. Got all kinds of shirts and VW Life stuff there. And as always, tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. That's what it's all about. You know, this is a perfect example of growing something here. So for you guys also, say, how do you get these things going? You just be consistent. We know it's 4th Saturday here, so be consistent. Come here on the 4th Saturday or wherever you're going to do, and just do it. And sometimes you might be like, it might be a one-man band, but other nights you got more and more folks showing up, and that's what it's all about. And the word gets out, and people start coming. Until next time, we'll see you guys later.